So, if said,
Yeah, but we need to have a theme. Diba? Nandun lang iikot yung mga words na sentences. Okay, the coming final exam. Can you relate?
Yes.
Final
So,
exam
muna.
and ano pa ba? Mga requirements.
Final project and review.
Okay, final exam and requirements. Katulad ng letter S.
Sobrang pagod na.
Sumo ako sa dami ng requirements. So, yung susunod O din siya, letter O, tungkol din sa final exam. Okay?
naiintindihan ba? Yes! Okay. So, mag-uumpisa tayo sa final exam kay Seth.
Ayun, ano gagawa ng
S.
yes po,
Final exam.
super dream siya.
Super Drain.
O? S? Over sa exam sa akin.
Okay, ano? F.
Frustrated.
E.
Tayo nang tapusin ang sabay.
Alright. Walang pahinga.
Walang hours sa susunod na mangyayari sa exam.
Kapag Angel.
Exam na naman sa Thursday.
Okay, sa requirements naman tayo. Letter S ulit.
Sana may pahinga ako.
Sana may pahinga ako.
Onting push na lang.
Onting good na lang.
Pag-ulibok sa activities.
Sulibok sa activities. Sige, tapusin natin. W ulit kay Seth.
Ano sila? Can we have these people?
Sige po. Umpisa natin kay
Ano?
W.
Una lang po yung mga participants natin. Let's hear it from the reading.
Requirements, W.
Requirements na?
Yes.
Sige. We make 100% sa requirements.
Yun?
Araw-araw. Sige, upo na pagtapos na mag
Pressure.
May next pa.
Right minus wrong no more.
Naka-video yun ha?
Sige, Lara.
Letter E, no?
Master
Ina.
End na ng term? May requirements pa?
S.
Prof, nagagalit po sila.
Listen muna ako bago mag-review.
O.
O.
O ba?
Literal na O.
F? Balis ako eh. Fight till the end. Sorry.
Ako mabaligtaran eh. Tapag-gusto.
Okay, W.
Wait, time first.
Time first.
A, awa na ng PNU.
Okay, R.
Repeat them. Ano natakot si Mom?
Is ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Remembrance na lang ito basa.
Sige, letter E.
Excited na ako mo.
Wait lang, Bes.
S.
Bakit may exam? S lang eh. So, bakit may exam?
OMG, may exam.
Wait, so...
May exam na naman.
Ako!
Oh, dapat na A.
Mamaya na mag-exam.
Ako na A. Ang galing.
Excited na ako matapos na!
Okay, guys.
S! So, naman na ako!
Oh!
Oh, ano talaga?
Ano tara?
Oh, F.
F!
Pwede. Fight song lang.
Ako, T. Tutulog na po ako.
Okay, so ang sarap na pakiramdam, no? Na-dance na mga...
Hindi pa talaga sa akin.
Thank you, yes, now we go for
Good afternoon, grade 9 Babage. Good afternoon, grade 9 Babage.
Good afternoon.
So before we proceed, may I have someone to lead our prayer for today? May I have Ronel to lead us prayer?
So let us pray, let us bow our heads. Lord God, thank you for this day na makapag-aral po muli kami, Lord. Nawa po lahat po na aming natutunan ay may sa isip po na kami. Kayo po ang nangungunan sa amin, this name pray, amen.
Okay, so before kayo umupo, kindly pick up the trash na nasa ilalim ng upuan or nasa gilid. And if not, you may now sit. Okay. Kamusta ang araw ninyo, grade 9? Bakit parang pagod na kayo? Tatapos na ng class ulit. Okay. So, for our attendance, I want you to say your name and name one computer part you know. So, if may naulit na or na-hesitate kayo, gagawin nyo is clap. If may naulit na or nag-hesitate kayo, magbigay ng isang computer part. Okay? Okay, let's start with Gary.
Gary Simos po.
See? May reaction ni classmate. Okay.
Fatima CPU.
Mas TTV. Jason po, power supply. Aaron, motherboard.
Earphones.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Rupa.
hard drive.
Hard drive. Ronel.
Ronel, monitor.
Monitor. Jella. Power box. Mouse.
Michelle CPU.
CPU. Okay. Thank you for your computer course that you know. So, syempre, feeling ko, meron kayong ganun sa mga bahay ninyo. Okay? Okay. Now, just like a computer system to work, we also need a system here in our classroom. So, may I have one student to read our classroom rules? Yes, Rupa?
So our classroom rules is S, stay respectful. Y, your rule matters. S, stay focused. T, think before you click or speak. E, engage actively. And for M, maintain order.
Okay, so naintindihan niyo ang classroom rules natin for today. So stay respectful to your classmates, to your teachers, and to your other teachers. Why your role matters? So your role as a student matters here. In fact, magiging student-centered tayo for today, so you will be engaging and you should be stay focused on our activities. Think before you click or speak, of course, sa ating digital media nowadays. Syempre, you need to think, double think, before you click anything or before you speak online. Letter E, engage actively, engage to your group works and engage to our class. And then M, for maintain order. So I'll give you 1 minute to scan our objectives for our lesson for today. Okay, nabasa na ng lahat? Na-scan na? Okay. For now, we will be having an activity which will be divided into 2 groups. So this group is group 1. This group is group 2. So each one of you will receive a problem card. Pero saan nakalagay ang problem card natin? What is this? Monitor. Ano ba ibang tawag sa monitor? Screen. Okay, pero sa likod nito, meron tayong mga classroom or problem cards. So can I have one representative from group 1? representative, please. Okay, so nasa inyo na ang mga problem card. Now, pamimigay ko naman sa inyo, pagpapamigay naman ni teacher, yung mga possible actions na pwede nyo gamitin. This is for group 1. And this is your options for group. Okay, lastly, may bibigay si teacher sa inyo na blank sheet kung saan may time kayo para magsulat for your answers. Okay, pwede kayo bumilod para makisipay yung pag-usap niya sa group. Okay. Okay. So, you have your own problem card here. Teacher, ano po gagawin natin? First, kapag nabasa niyo na yung problem card, ididikot niyo dito sa board natin yung problem na napunta sa inyo, yung pinaka-best possible action na meron kayo, and isusulat niyo sa blank paper kung ano yung mga considerations you have taken for your problem. Okay, you will be given 5 minutes for this activity. Yes?
Yung considerations po dito po sa...
Yes. Okay, if you have history pen yes. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand. Considerations. Yes, from your own words. You have 4 minutes left. Tapos na ba ang group 1? How about group 2? Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute, grade 9. Last 1 minute. So finalize your answers and write down your considerations taken on your paper. Okay, group 2, are you done? Yes. Group 1, are you done? Okay, may I have group 1 to paste your answers here. Okay, you may arrange your chairs. Thank you. How about group 2? Okay, so while waiting, sino ang representative ng group 1? One representative. Okay. Okay, sino ang representative ng group 2? Hero. So, while you will discussing or presenting your answers, you will use our cursor, our mouse, to pinpoint your answers. Okay, group 1 first. What's your problem?
Printer is properly.
You guys
A printer is properly.
quiet, he is.
A printer is properly connected, but it does not respond when printing.
Yung group 1, yung group 1. Group 1.
That is the problem. A printer is properly connected, but it does not respond when printing is attempted. So, our best possible action po is reconnect the device and plug and plug it back po. We consider this because it is a practical solution po, and if it does not even work po, after po gawin, maybe po software issue na po siya within the ano na po.
Okay, thank you so much, group 1. Group 2, let's clap for hands for group 1. Oh, how about group 2?
So teacher, ang problem po namin as grade 9 students is open po yung computer namin pero napakatagal before po siya magamit. So, ang best possible action po niyan kasi po mga grade 9 po kami, hindi po namin na-update yung mga Windows update or mga driver update po. So, kailangan po namin yan i-update before po gumana ng maayos. And yung considerations taken din po namin since grade 9 kami, ang dami namin dinadownload ng mga videos or mga games, kailan po namin i-uninstall na yon or parang i-clean na po. At saka, i-check po namin yung mga viruses kasi ang dami po namin dinadownload sa internet eh. Yun lang po.
Some clap for hands for group 2. Okay, thank you so much group 2 for your presentation as well as for group 1. Now, I have a questions for all of you. So what do all the problems have in common? So we have two problems presented here. What are the common problems? What do all the problems have in common? So as you read the two problems, yes, Seth?
Same na po sa printer and computer, hindi po sila nag-respond properly o nang mabilis po.
Hindi nag-respond properly or nang mabilis. Okay. How about the others? Anong merong common sa kanilang dalawang problem? Any ideas? Yes, Fatima?
Both problems po ay hindi po sila nag-function well. In-expect po natin, ay hindi po siya nag-function kung ano po yung in-expect natin.
Okay, so hindi rin siya nagpa-function. Sa dalawang problem na to, sa common, did your group think of any other possible actions? Since di ba meron tayong maraming actions na binigay sa inyo. Did your group think of any other possible actions pa? Aside sa napili nyo, since may napili kayong isa, right? So what are the possible actions na napili? Yes, Aaron?
Ang another possible action po na naisip po namin is mag-upgrade na po mismo ng hardware since napakabagal na po ng computer po namin.
Okay, napakabagal na ng computer ninyo. How about the others? How about the others? In your group? Yes, Basti?
Ano po, baka po, hindi po kasi outdated na po yung driver ko ganun. So, baka wala po, so need po i-update.
Okay, outdated na yung driver or need na i-update. So, you have choose one possible action. So, sabi niyo meron kayong other naisip na possible actions. Why did you not decide to choose them? Since you have different possible actions, right? So, why did you not choose them? Carrie?
Sa amin naman po, sa printer issue po, pwede po yung second suggestion namin, which is yung pag-install ng another drivers. Pero consider po namin yung practicality, kung ano po ba yung first step na pwede natin gawin na mas madali, or first check na kailangan natin i-consider. Pero ang ginamit namin issue is about po sa pag-unplug po.
Okay, unplugging. How about the others? Yes, Aaron?
Ma'am, sa amin naman po, kaya po hindi po namin na nilagay po yun kasi po, meron na po parts ng computer doon. As much as possible, mapakinabangan po namin yun before po kami mag-upgrade ng panibago.
Okay, make use of other actions. So now, you have remained with consideration statements. Now, how did your group work together to solve the problem? So, before you choose possible action, how did your group work together to solve these problems assigned to you? Any other hands? Yes, Ronel?
Ano po, actually, tinignan po namin lahat ng mga possible na actions na pwede namin gamitin. Tinignan po namin kung ano yung pinaka-best possible na nagagawin namin. So, nakita po namin na pagkaroon na kami na-update ng mga system ng hardware namin.
Okay, so you communicate to one another, right? Okay, how about the others? How did your group solve the problem? Yes, Angeli?
Sa group po namin, nung nakita po namin yung problem, una po namin naisip kung ano po ba yung ginagawa talaga namin pag na-encounter namin yung ganong problema. And pares po namin naisip na unplug po ng mga wires sa device para gumana po.
Okay, so you chose other alternatives or you choose other options in terms of the problem you have encountered. So, next one is, what value did your group show when deciding after considering all the possible actions? Yes, Jess?
So we have a group and share activity. We have a collective decision in our group.
Okay, collective decision. So in order for you to be collective in your decision, what do you mean? Yes, Rufa?
Sa group po namin, pinakinggan po namin yung bawat isa kung ano po yung suggestion nila given our problem. And after that po, kung ano yung pinaka-best na pinagkasunduan po namin, yun po yung naging action, possible action po na pinili po namin.
Okay, so you have collective decisions, you have suggestions for your group to make your consideration takens and best possible actions. Pero ano yung tingin yung kailangan nyo para ma-analyze nyo ito ng mabuti, para ma-analyze nyo yung problem? For you to be able to be collective, for you to be able to suggest, and for you to be able to have your group decision. What did you use? What value did you use? Yes, Patrick?
Teacher,
Okay, respect. How about the others? Thank you, Fatima. Seth?
Nagpaka-humble po kami. Kasi ito po, ang amin po namin na address po sa amin is may iba't iba kaming knowledge or parang kaalaman pagdating sa mga computer. Pero hindi namin ginawang rason yun para mas maging kuwari ako. Hindi ko ginawang rason yun para sabihin sa kanila na mas maganda tong idea ko kasi mas maalam ako sa computer. Hindi po. Talagang kinikip ko yung generation namin. Na hindi po makala sa decision na aking mga kasama sa grupo. Ayun na.
Okay, so nagpaka-humble daw si Seth. You have your collective decisions, you have your own suggestions. So before you make suggestion, ano yung kailangan yung unang magkaroon? Ano muna yung kailangan yung gawin para ma-analyze yung problem mo? At para rin makapagpili kayo ng possible action aside from your suggestions. Carrie?
Tingin ko ng pagiging observant or yung
Observant?
pagiging keen observer sa mga nangyayari po. Kasi po, kung i-analyze namin, tulad ng mga sinabi nila, kailangan nung alamin ko ano yung pinaka-best answer dun. So kailangan nung i-observe, pag ba ito ginamit ko, mag-proceed ba siya, or pag ito in-apply ko, tatama ba siya.
Okay, observant, you have to be keen in being observant. So after you observe, what do you do to analyze this?
Ma'am. So, another po, ma'am, siguro po is ni-reference po namin siya based on our own experience po. Since siguro po dahil ICT students po kami na grade 9 is ito po yung tinuro sa amin and nagawaan po namin yan is that nangyayari po yon based on sa mga experience namin.
Okay, based on your experiences, pero kasi itong mga problem na to, it needs analyzation, right? So before you give your suggestions, you have one thing to do before you can give suggestions for this best possible actions. So what did you do after you observe, you respect one another? What did you use to analyze these problems? After considering all the possible results of each item. You have an answer? Angeli, do you have an answer? Sino nagsabi?
Si Michelle po.
Si Michelle. Okay, Michelle. What's your answer? Thank you,
Sa
Angeli.
akin po, critical thinking. Kasi bago po natin magawa ng step, kailangan po natin mag-isip.
Yes.
Ano naman yung pinaka-possible na action na ilalagay natin.
Okay, so before natin magawa lahat yan, of course, we need critical thinking for you to be able to have your collective decision. And before syempre kayo mag-decide, you have your suggestions. And of course, critical thinking is very important for you to analyze these problems. Okay? Okay, now, how can you use the skill of analyzing different problem options?
What do
Yes,
you
Shanice?
mean po by critical thinking?
Okay, by critical thinking, syempre, kapag may mga computer problems kayo, you need to think critically. Ano ang pwede kong actions na gawin? So you have your options there. However, kapag nasa bahay kayo, meron kayong mga problems sa computer nyo na hindi nyo alam kung paano gawin. So you need to think critically for you to be able to analyze ano yung problema. Bakit hindi gumagana yung mouse ko? Bakit hindi gumagana yung keyboard ko? Or bakit hindi nag-open yung screen ng laptop? Yes?
Is critical thinking the same as scientific thinking? And why?
Okay, critical thinking is scientific thinking. In terms of computer, you will need critical thinking. Since in critical thinking, you need to be observant.
Not only in computers.
Not only in computers. Okay, sige. Pag-iisipan ni teacher, okay, I'll be back to you, okay? So now, how can you use your skill of analyzing different options before you make a decision in your daily life? How can you use critical thinking? Yes, Rupa?
Sa akin po, sometimes kapag nagme-make ako ng decision, tinitimbang ko siya, inaalam ko yung pros and cons nung magiging kakalabasan ng decision ko.
Okay, pros and cons before you decide. How about Michelle?
Benefits po.
Benefits. Go.
Yung benefits na nakakuha ko kung magbe-benefit po ba ako sa if yung decision na ito yung gagawin ko or yung decision na gagawin ko po is magiging masama sa akin.
Okay. Yes, student Yolo.
Teacher, when I ask questions po, is the WH questions, the who, what, why questions for scientific thinking. Is that the same po ba na process sa critical thinking?
For the process of critical thinking, yung why and how, tama ba, Yolo? Why and how? I think teacher thinks, no, possibly siya for this in terms of how will you analyze the problem and how will you do the actions for you to be able to fix your problem sa computer mo, sa laptop mo. Scientific thinking, rational ka. And when you say critical thinking, you should, by vice versa, they are the same in a way na you need to analyze properly the problems that you have in your computer or any other aspects in your life. Okay, last one. How can you use the skill of analyzing different options for you to be able to make decisions in your everyday life? Yes, Aaron too? Yeah. Yeah.
For me po, I think i-apply na po yung
Okay, you apply your knowledge para sa pag-weight kung ano yung mas matimbang for you to decide. Okay. Now, do you have concerns? Okay.
Another
You go.
So, another po is I have to think about the consequences po of my actions sa everyday life po. So, ano po ba yung matatamaan ko? Ano po ba yung magiging results niya sa mga actions na ginawa ko?
Okay, consequences. Okay, thank you for that. So before we proceed, I would like to ask one probing questions for you to read. So can someone read? Yes, Seth?
Question. What do you think allows the computer to work properly when you turn it on?
Okay, basic lang. What do you think allows the computer to work properly when you turn it on? Sino yung may mga computer sa bahay? Raise your hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How about the others? Do you have laptops? Yes. How about cell phones? Yes. How about iPads?
Yes!
Okay, so you have iPads, you have different kinds of devices in your room. Now, I want you to read our objectives again. So, 1, can you read?
Techniques and program. Explain system software, its types, and their functions.
2, Aaron 1.
Demonstrate critical thinking in making decisions. And
Seth. Number 3.
And classify different types of system software and its functions.
Okay, thank you for reading. Okay, now we will be having our topic system software, its types and functions. So I would like to ask you, what is software? Do you have any idea? One word to define software. Yes, Basti.
Yun po yung binubuksan po sa computer. Parang yun po yung nasa loob po ng computer, nag-o-open.
Okay, nasa loob ng computer. Nasa loob ng computer daw yung software. So software refers to the set of programs, instructions, and data that enables a computer to perform specific tasks. Okay, so ginagamit natin yung software. Tingin niyo ba yung mga laptop nyo, yung mga computer nyo, yung cellphones nyo, may software?
Yes!
Okay, meron silang software. So yung software din, sila yung nakikipag-communicate sa mga hardware na meron tayo. Examples ng hardware yung ginamit nyo kanina na keyboard, mouse, diba? CPU, yun yung mga hardware na meron tayo. But for now, we will be talking about system software. So system software, can someone read? Can you read, Angela?
System software. It operates, controls, and manages computer hardware and provides a platform for running application software.
Okay, for running application software. So system software, kabaligtaran siya. Do you think yung computer nyo mag-turn on if wala kayong system software? nag-operate, siya yung nagko-control, and siya yung nagmamanage ng computer nyo. It also link with this word, types of system software. So before we proceed for system software, do you have any idea what are the types of system software? Do you have any idea? Yes or no? No. Okay, sige, let's proceed. Okay, operating system. Rufa, can you read what is the operating system?
Operating system serves as the central control program for a computer.
Okay, serves as the central control program for a computer. So, before you turn it on your computer, may gumagawa na. Okay, may system na siya sa loob ng computer nyo. So, kung operating system manages, controls, kumbaga siya yung pinaka-brain ng isang computer, ng isang laptop, or ng isang cellphones nyo, or yung mga devices nyo at home. So, sa operating system, it deals with one word, interface. Interface meaning you have to engage with something. You have to interact with something. And that something are all three things that we need for computer to work. And that is hardware, software, and the user. Tingin niyo sino yung mga user? Tayo. At yung mga hardware yung nahahawakan natin, yung ginagamit natin. And of course, yung software. So we need these three things because through interface, they engage with one another, they interact with one another to be able to operate your computer or your laptops. Okay? Do you understand grade 9 Babage? Yes! Okay, can I have one clap? Two claps? Thank you so much. Okay. Now, let's proceed with operating system example. So, Aaron, what do you think is the first picture?
The Windows.
Windows.
Windows evolution from Windows 1992 to Windows 8 in 2012.
Okay, thank you so much. Renel, what is the second one?
Ano po? Mac OS po, or mas kilala nating Apple.
Okay, Mac OS, very good. Thank you so much. How about the third one? Do you know what is third one? Can someone have an idea? Yes, eh?
Or Linux po?
Linux. It's Linux. Linux. Okay, so this operating system, they are the ones who can control, operate, and command your computer. So for Windows, yun yung lagi natin ginagamit. And of course, we usually use that sa mga desktop natin, sa mga laptops natin. And for Mac OS, ginagamit siya for MacBook. So yung mga tulad na sinabi ni Ranel, thank you so much, under siya ng Apple. Okay? Ang Linux naman is, it is an user-friendly in which yung Android, alam niyo yung Android? Yung mga cellphones nyo ba Android? Or may mga naka-iOS? iOS. Okay.
iOS po.
iOS, may naka-OS. So yung Linux is powered by Android. So aside from yung Android is powered by Google, ang Linux din as pinapower niya din yung Android to perform. Since yung Android is a open, wherein naka-customize siya, pwede siyang magamit ng kahit na sino. However, ang iOS, tingin nyo nakakapag-Bluetooth kayo from iOS to Android? No, why? So that explains kasi ang iOS and macOS or anything that is under Apple is sobrang inclusive. So, sobrang close niya to the point na sila lang yung nag-work together. Okay, silence please. Thank you so much. Okay, device drivers. Can you read, Jella?
Device drivers. These are specialized programs that allow the operating system to communicate with hardware peripherals.
Peripherals. Okay, thank you so much. So, the specialized programs that allow the operating system to communicate with other peripherals. So, ang device drivers nag-act siya para yung mouse nyo na yung mouse nyo is gagana kapag in-input nyo siya sa computer sa laptop nyo. Yes, student Earl?
Teacher, sorry, hindi kasi ako familiar sa mga technology. So, para mas maintindihan ko na teacher, pwede gamitin natin yung analogy ng school. So, sa school, di ba, meron tayo teachers, meron tayong principals. ano dito sa school, pwede ko siyang ma-consider as operating system.
Okay, operating system sa school mismo.
Ako,
So,
and software din po.
in terms of what?
Kung ano po sa school ang pwede ko ma-consider as operating system and software.
Okay. Excuse me, sorry. Magagamit natin yung operating system. Others, operating system ba yung buong system software?
Ano po, parang analogy lang po kung ano pong part sa school or ano pong specific na materials po, possibly na pwede kong ma-consider, ay ito pala yung operating system, ay i-analyze ko, or ay ito pala pwede kong gamitin yung software.
Okay. Excuse me. So, sa ating system software, yung nag-a-act as the brain or control of the school, an institution, is yung principal. Since siya yung nag-ooperate, nagmamanage, at nagko-control ng buong school institution. Next, ang device drivers, you need to communicate with teachers and the admins. So, you need device drivers for you to be able to talk with them. So, hindi naman directly palagi nakakausap ni teacher, si principal, di ba? So, minsan nagpapaset pa ng meeting with the admins. Next is, ang other example natin is yung mga susunod pa, we still need yung utility services for maintenance. And next one is yung for admins to work on with the assistance ng mga principal. So, ang examples ng device drivers natin is printer, ano yung second picture? Mouse, third picture? Keyboard. And then last? Webcam. Okay, these are the device drivers that we need. So, paano mo siya magagamit sa computer or sa desktop? So, kailangan yung isaksak yung chip, itong chip ng mouse sa devices niyo. Okay? Okay. Firmware. So, may I have Carrie to read?
Firmware. Initialize hardware during startup and serve as a first step in loading operating system.
Okay. Firmware initializes hardware during startup. Serve as the first step in loading the operating system. So, magkaugnay or magka-relate sila ng device driver. Because, why? Why, teacher? Bakit sila magkaugnay ng device drivers? Bakit related ang firmware and device drivers? It's because device drivers, iniintindi ni device drivers yung command ng operating system. And tinatranslate niya ito kay firmware para yung firmware yung mag-ooperate nito sa loob ng system. Gets ninyo? Okay, so yung firmware, bago yung pag-tinurn nyo, may nagsabi kanina start button sa attendance. So kapag yung firmware, it explains that kapag in-start niyo yung start button, ang unang gagana sa loob ng computer or desktop nyo is yung CPU. Usually, nakikita ang firmware sa loob ng CPU. Why? Itong BIOS, itong HDD, at itong disk, kasi nakikita nyo sa loob ng CPU. So, sinong may laptop? Okay, sa laptop ninyo, di ba, maliit lang siya. Wala siyang CPU-like na malaki. However, sa laptop, nasa ilalim siya. So, microchips siya lang na nakalagay sa inyong laptop. Okay, this is the first thing that will process the start button sa inyong devices. Lastly, we have utility software, sorry. Can you read, Fatima?
Utility software. It consists of tools assigned to maintain, optimize, and manage computer performance.
Okay, maintain, optimize, and manage computer performance. Yun yung sasagot sa tanong ni Student Earn. Ang utility software ay katumbas ng mga utility maintenance natin sa school. Para pagpasok niyo sa school, malinis, maaliwalas. Diba, na-optimize natin yung cleanliness ng loob ng paaralan. Na-optimize natin yung performance ng school. So this acts as the utility software wherein nag-maintain siya, nag-optimize siya, and nag-manage siya ng performance ng computer. So what are the examples? Sagot ng group 2 kanina, antivirus. So we need antivirus to protect our computer and our laptops. We need backup files para yung mga files na meron kayo sa devices nyo is meron pa rin kayong copy in case na nagkaroon ng problem. Okay? delete files. Ito yung mga deleted files na hindi automatically. Pag pinipindot nyo yung delete, siya automatically nag-delete permanently. And then we have here the zip or yung nagko-compress and nasasama-sama ng files sa isang. Okay, so for our last activity, we have system C. So sabi niyo, meron kayong laptop and computer sa bahay. Hindi pwedeng makapagdala si teacher, hindi kayo pwedeng magdala ng laptop at computer. So sa ating ICT class, wala tayong computer or laptop. Pero, you will be divided into two groups and binigyan ni teacher yung laptop sa inyo. Okay, may laptop na kayo per group. So, you will receive laptop cutouts and flash drive cutouts. So, you will read each function here. So, nasa sa screen ng laptop niya yung mga functions. And you need to paste these flash drives. Ano ba yung function na to? And ano yung magiging category? Do you have any questions? Grade 9 ba, Beige? None. Okay, sige. Circle your shares. So, you have 1 minute to do this. Okay, group 1, here's your laptop. Group 2, here's your laptop. Okay. Timer starts now. Okay, 50 seconds. Okay lang, kahit mabaligtad yung flash drive. Para ma-insert nyo lang siya sa device ng laptop. 35 seconds. Okay, tapos na yung group 1. Now go group 2. 20 seconds. Okay, one representative from group 1. Okay, just give your answers. You don't have to explain, just Okay. Okay, quiet, please. Let's hear from group 1 representative. Fatima and Kari.
Good afternoon po everyone. So, ang kakainin po dito is when you turn on your computer, a program automatically starts and prepares the computer before anything else. So, like what kasi namin ba ang ginagamit ng firmware. So, after sunod naman is you use your computer to open apps, play music and manage file using a screen or interface. So, yung ginagamit natin is yung the operating system. So next is your computer becomes slow, so you use a program to remove viruses and clean unnecessary files. So ang ginagamit natin dito is the utility software. And lastly, you plug the printer but it does not work right away. You install a program so the computer can communicate with it. So ang ginagamit natin dito is the device drivers.
Okay, let's clap our hands for group 1. Group 2. Okay, stand. Here's your first.
Wala po. So, dito po, you plug in a printer but it does not work right away. You install a program so the computer can communicate with it. So, dito po makita natin na hindi po magkata. So, ang sagot po namin sa ito. Or yung pinita namin is device drivers. Next naman po dito, you use your computer to open apps, play music, and manage files using a main screen or interface. Ginamit ko po keyword lang sa this interface kasi po sa diniscuss ko lang kanina. Yung interface po, naalala ko po, nakasulat siya under sa operating system. So your computer becomes slow. So you use a program to remove viruses and clean unnecessary files. Yan po ang utility software. And last naman po, when you turn on your computer, a program automatically starts and prepares the computer before anything else loads. So sinabi po ni teacher kanina, ito po ay under sa firmware. Yan lang po for group 2.
Okay, so before we leave, we need to take your quiz under 1 minute. So I will give your quizzes. Okay, you will take home this quiz quizzes and pass it tomorrow. Okay? Okay, good luck. Goodbye, grade 9, babe. Goodbye and thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
Ayan po, maraming salamat po sa pag-attend ng demo teaching ni Teacher Mago. Pinapalis na po agad kayo na magpa-post call pa po. Ayan po, every evaluator has 1 minute to say their comments po. And Teacher Magro will call on their evaluators and will give brief background on their evaluators.
Okay, I have 3 evaluators from BP, 2 evaluators from BPLE ICT, Teacher Jan and Teacher Kai, and we have an evaluator from South Luzon, Ma'am Asia, who works here in Manila. And then of course, we have Teacher Alex from Values Education. Okay, let's start with Teacher Jan. 1 minute po.
Okay, so congratulations with your demo. For continue, I'm here, continue. It says, I like your IMs, it's very engaging. And it's very engaging. I also like the beginning. It sets the mood for the class. You emphasize student-centeredness in your classroom rules, which I like as well. And your classroom is very critical thinking wise, very student-centered wise. That's what I like about it. And it's a simple PPT, so it focuses more on the essential parts of the topic. So next for avoid, I noticed that for the objectives, it does not follow the CPA, cognitive, psychomotor, and affective. I'm not sure, but that's what I saw. And also, for the activity, it's quite prolonged, and you asked a lot of questions, but there were guide questions, so that's it. Thank you so much.
Next, Teacher Kai.
Congratulations, teacher. Palakpakan natin. Una, yes, agree kay Ma'am Shana. First time in my experience in ICT, meron talaga nag-effort sa physical IMs. Kasi sa reality po talaga, also yung mga ICT dito, mga juniors, seniors sa commerce namin, hindi talaga gusto ng mga advisors namin, professors, yung mga physical. Kasi more on technology talaga ang aming main character. Kaya for me, in my perspective naman, maganda, lalo-lalo na bagay to sa mga rural schools na wala talagang equipment, because that's actually the reality of the educational system. Syempre, may digital divide and everything. So, so let's just imagine na lang din. So, buti na lang, you consider na walang equipments sa mismong demo place mo. Okay? So, I'll give you a point for that. And also, I like the way, of course, yung number 1 na gusto ko talagang hinahanap yung aking class rules. And the way our teacher is very yung mga attention grabbers niya, yung 1 clap, 2 claps, I like that. And also, yung mga avoid, so, other details nandito na sa basahin mo lang each. And also, sa avoid na lang, may nakita ako teach na hindi readable ang ating IMs. Kasi, isipin natin na pag nasa malayo, si student di talaga mababasa. May naka-point out. And also, may napansin ako dito sa aside sa time management, sa pa-activity mo sa innovate part, walang rubrics. And also, pagpapakita ng rubrics sa iyong students. Yun lang. Ay, congratulations.
So, good afternoon po. Congratulations, teacher. So, for my continue, interactive way of getting the attendance, maganda siya. Master of the subject matter, even value sa EDCA, pinakita mo na kaya mong magturo din ng ICT. And then, sa mga IMs, yeah, well commended naman na nila ma'am. And then, you yourself, kasi ikaw ay presentable, you are neat. You yourself is the best IM. And then, Ano pa ba? Yung continue nandito naman, so pwede mo naman siya basahin. And then for my avoid, don't forget the review of the previous lesson. So isa yun sa napansin ko. And then, objectives, 2 beses siya napakita. Okay na yung isang beses lang before you start the lesson. And then, you may also consider following the COPACOP method. You will start with the cleanliness and then orderliness of the classroom, attendance, and then prayer. And then, ganun ulit after ng discussion. So, meron pa din dito, so you may read it na. Thank you po.
First, congratulations. Nakapunta na ako sa demo mo.
Thank you po.
First, tama si Ma'am, you're very well dressed, you're very neat. And ang ganda ng preliminaries mo, kaso wala siya sa LP. So I hope na-integrate yung preliminaries mo sa LP. And napasok mo yung kamustahan and yung attendance mo maganda rin. Yung IEMS mo, very thematic, it's good, pero pwede mo tanggalin yung content ng LP mo. Hindi kasi suggested na nakikita nila yung parts ng LP. Tapos maganda yung traditional IEMS mo. And then, good ka sa transitioning statement. Maganda yung pagka-transition mo kanina dun sa classroom rules. Sana mas maging consistent lang siya. Tapos, maganda yung speaking voice mo. And I think more sa processing question, tingin ko ano kagad siya. Minimal yung affected questions, more on cognitive lang siya. And psychomotor. And yun lang naman, still napalabas mo naman yung BTD. So that's good. And I think, kahit values it, sabi niyo, kahit values it, parang pinakita mo na ICT naman. So, congratulations.
Okay, hi. Good evening po. This is going to be the last demo for today. Pagod na sila. Okay. Ma'am, welcome to our class po. You are she's here.
Ay, hindi po. Office po, Jediah.
Ay, you're with Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, welcome po. Okay, so let's start with this. No, sa lesson pa natin, although ginawa mo yung prayer, attendance check, classroom management, let's still have to reflect it's ating LP, no? Okay, let's start with Audible Voice, very teacher-like, dress up, gurong-guru talaga, no? Okay, that's a good fusion of the tradigital, the traditional IMs and the digital IMs. No? Kita natin yung preparedness, no? ng teacher ko po dito. You were moving around and checking what they are doing. And then, siguro lang yung visibility checks. Dapat, kung napapansin mo, nagre-request kami na ilapit kasi medyo maliit na yung mga items natin, ano? Okay, let's go to the questions kasi yung dapat din mabigyan natin ng pansin, ano? So, what do other problems have in common? Nasagot naman nila, tanong what, nasagot nila. Did your group think of any other possible actions? If yes, why? Blah, blah, blah. So, nakuha naman nila. Then you included another question which is not here. No? You remember that? Dun ka, yun yung backlog mo eh. Parang, like, what did your group do to help solve the problem? How did your group help solve the problem? Okay. Is that similar to number 3? Or not at all? Oo, no? Bigla siya may pumasok. So parang nasira yung flow, no? Oo, ganon. And, alam mo ang husay ng mga, ng mga students mo. Kung pag hinihintay mo lang yung value na lumabas, actually lumabas na siya. Kaya lang tumagal ka lang, kasi hindi mo binibitawan, what else? Yung tanong mo, hindi lumalalim para ilabas dyan. Like for example, si Sir, ganda-ganda ng answer niya. Observant. Sumagot ng isang reference. Di ba? No reference, right? Sir, hindi mo siya nakuha, hindi mo siya nasulat. Parang ang galing na entry point nun eh. So, what do you do when you observe things? Okay, so what is your reference? Di ba logic ibibigay niya? So, fusion na yun ng lalabas na si critical thinking. Okay, so parang ito yung iniiwasan natin sa values integration na mag-shopping list tayo, di ba? Okay, of values, hanggang maubusan ka na at papunta na dun sa but still, nakita namin yung effort mo na palabasin na. Siguro probe agad. Tignan mo, saan yung entry point ko dito sa mga answers nila? Okay? And good thing na hindi mo nasagot yung scientific critical thinking or data saying pa. Huminto ka doon, ano? Pero nung nagtanong na si Piolo, ng WH question, so para sinabi mo, in a way, you're telling us, yeah, they're almost the same. Parang gano'n, ano? And maganda kasi bakit yun ang section, Claire? Ba't yun yung pangalan ng...
Babbage po.
Oo,
Because Babbage po, father of the computer.
Oo, yun pala yun. So, chinat pa namin sa okay, sabi niya, is that a new word? Gano'n, so tinignan pa rin namin, ano? Okay, maganda naman yung pag-explain mo. Alam namin may mastery ka ng concept. Pero kung halimbawa, nakikita mo na medyo lost na, hindi nakukuha ng iba yung sila kaya nila yun. Pag halimbawa, ito yung mga estudyante mo, baka hindi na agad. Mag-analogy ka na. No? Kaya, di ba si Ray, si Earl ay humingi na, di ba? Ma'am, can you? Oo. So, baka yun mas madali maintindihan, ano? So, but congratulations for giving your best.
Maraming salamat ngayon po lahat ng participants and evaluators. Tayo po sa for picture taking. Okay po, pwesto lang po tayo. Basta po tayo bago